What if one AI could help you write an entire book? Another could analyze thousands of pages of information in seconds, and a third could search the internet while you're still talking to it. Right now, three powerful AI systems are leading the race: ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. But here's the real question. Which one is actually the best? Artificial intelligence is transforming how people work, learn, and create. Just a few years ago, tools like these barely existed for the public. Today, millions of people use AI every single day. They use it to write faster, learn new skills, generate ideas, build businesses, and solve problems in ways that were almost impossible before. AI is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's quickly becoming part of everyday life. Let's start with ChatGPT. Created by OpenAI, ChatGPT became famous for its ability to communicate in a natural, human-like way. You can ask it complex questions, and it can break them down into simple explanations. People use ChatGPT to write articles, generate YouTube scripts, plan projects, create marketing ideas, and even help with coding. It's also widely used for brainstorming. If you're stuck on an idea, ChatGPT can help you explore new angles in seconds. Another reason it's so popular is its huge ecosystem. ChatGPT connects with many tools and workflows, making it useful for everything from education to business productivity. But creativity is only one part of the story. Next is Gemini. Gemini was developed by Google and designed to work closely with the Google ecosystem. This means it can integrate with services like Google Docs, Gmail, and Google Drive. One of Gemini's biggest advantages is its ability to work with fresh information from the internet. For example, imagine planning a trip. Gemini can help compare destinations, organize schedules, and gather useful details quickly. It also performs well when handling different types of information at once. Text, images, and data can all be processed together. That makes it a strong option for research and organization. But there's another competitor, built for deep thinking: Claude. Claude was created by the AI company Anthropic. It's widely known for its ability to analyze extremely long documents. You can upload research papers, business reports, or even legal contracts. Claude can read through massive amounts of text and summarize the most important insights in seconds. This makes it especially powerful for researchers, analysts, and professionals who deal with large volumes of information. Claude was also designed with a strong focus on safety and reliability. Its creators placed a lot of emphasis on responsible AI behavior and careful responses. So, which AI wins? The truth is, each one shines in a different way. ChatGPT stands out for creativity, flexibility, and everyday productivity. Gemini excels at real-time information and deep integration with Google's tools. And Claude dominates when it comes to analyzing large documents and complex information. But here's the bigger picture. These tools are evolving faster than almost any technology in history. New features are being released constantly. Capabilities that seemed impossible just a year ago are now becoming normal, and this is only the beginning of the AI revolution. Artificial intelligence is quickly becoming a partner for thinking, creating, and solving problems. In the future, AI may become one of the most important tools humans have ever built. So, now the question goes to you. Which AI do you think is the best? ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude? Tell me your choice in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about the future of AI.